The disciple woke him in desperation. Jesus stood as the wind screamed and the sea raged. He lifted his hand and spoke with authority. "Peace, be still." Let us watch to know if they obeyed him.
Peace, be still.
So sweet, and Jesus of my sweet mediator, and His Spirit and blood makes my cleansing complete, and His perfect laughter sets out fear. Oh, come to this valley of blessing so sweet, where Jesus with oh, believe and receive and confess Him, that only salvation may